later, but we're trying to get to our resort. It's so humid and hot, but it's so pretty.
Come on, you want to take it?
Getting in a taxi. Want to say hi to my vlog? That's our taxi driver. Oh, let it slide on me. Oh.
Okay, hey, real dude.
Just finally happy to be off the airplane, honestly. It was only a 3-hour and I think like 30 minutes.
Doing alright today, brother?
So cool. Ah! So happy to be here.
What?
This is our resort. So pretty.
Enjoy your vacation, lady.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay.
Check temperature.
Oh,
Get closer.
oh, this is so cool.
Okay.
Come with me. Anyway, we're day 2 and we found this part of the beach and it's so pretty. We in Puerto Rico.
Hey.
Anyway, look at this. Isn't it so pretty? Look. Wish you were here. Hey y'all, so right now I'm just enjoying a mimosa, chilling outside of our resort, and we just got pizza because I haven't had anything to eat, and right now it is, what time is it? 2:11, and I've just had Bacardi, a mimosa, and a mixed drink. So I'm about to eat pizza. Yum. Yum. Resort. Not that sunny today, but it's supposed to be sunny the next 6 days we're here. So, but it feels absolutely amazing. Bye guys. So I'm about to try the pizza and see if like it's any different from back home pizza. You cut that for me. I can't hold the camera and do that at the same time.
I got you.
Ooh, I feel like the sprinkles on me. Thank you. Oh, ooh, my hair. Okay. It's a lot better. It's a lot better than back home pizza. So, change locations because it actually did start to rain, but that's okay. Still gorgeous, right? We can't even enjoy pizza right now because these birds are bold as hell and they are trying to eat the pizza. Look at him. He's starving. Yo, I mean, he like literally landed on like the other half of the box. He thinks he's slick, like he's just waiting for us to not be paying attention so he could take a bite. There he goes. Well, told you. I guess they like pizza.
Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep up. Got me singing like na 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 every day. So my heart falls stuck in replace. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep up. Got me singing like na 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 every day. So my heart falls stuck in replace.
Day 3. sun is out shining very bright. We have some fun activities planned for the day.
Oh, I had room service bring some fresh fruit and some French toast. Which you guys a full apple maybe which is totally okay.
So I came up in 2007
finally at the
and I
bus.
ended up staying. You like it down here? Yeah.
He's about to take us to Puerto Rico. Here's our tour guide. Oh yes, you may take my
So
temperature.
let me take your temperature. There we go.
Oh, hand sanitizer.
Yeah.
Thank you.
There you go. If you guys want to board, you guys can board. We're waiting for one more person.
Okay. Oh, it's not a lot of people on the tour. Or maybe we're like the first couple. Oh, I'm so sorry to be picked up. My bag had hit him.
We're at the river, so again, this is we have to pay attention. We have to use our hands. We have to be strong on our feet. We have to watch where we're walking. It's just not like, you know, record and walk at the same time, because you'll hit a rock and then you're gonna break a knee. Okay, so we want to pay attention at the river more than anything else. Okay, we'll be going down a small trail that leads down to the river area that we call Las Pailas. And Las Pailas are different like slides that go throughout little by little. And there's also a small waterfall there, so we go throughout that process. There's 8 of us here, so we should run everything pretty smooth today. Looks kind of scary right now, right?
You can
Oh,
slide.
yes. Communicate with me, guys.
Wait, you can slide
It
down.
looks kind of scary, Devin.
All
I'm
right.
sorry.
Hey, you can slide down and like the rocks ain't gonna hit you.
Yeah, I'll show you guys. I'll be up there, okay?
I'm trying to go a little bit booty.
And what we do is we enjoy the water slide.
I'm like trying to get footage
down.
of the
Look, I was gonna get a GoPro like this one. You have YouTube?
I'm starting one. Yeah. We walked down to another really cool waterfall, y'all. And it's a slide, just like the last thing that we were at. Our tour guide let us get off and took us to a private beach on the East Coast, and we're about to walk the strip and try some new food. I'm so excited to try new food. What is that?
The crab I'm about to eat.
Different beach today, y'all. What's up, y'all? Day 4. We're on our way to Old San Juan, and this is my Old San Juan outfit. Shoes are from Shein. My mom got this outfit, so I have no idea where it's from, but I'm guessing it's from Shein too. Old San Juan. Look at the view. So pretty. Let's go in here. selling again, but this time in Puerto Rico. Day 5. It's really clear right now, but I swear we just had a shower for like an hour. It's so pretty. Look how fast it clears up. I just stand in front of it. Oh, this. Oh, thank you. Oh. Thank you. Sorry, we were confused. Turn it off, babe. Not that the cars that they have shown in the mall are Maseratis. And then, have you ever seen a 3-story rooftop mall? Because I have not. Wow. They don't have this where we're from. Y'all, the purses are made of jelly and they smell like roses. So of course I'm leaving here with one, and they're made in Italy. Look, they even got their hats that the soldiers wore. As World War II approached in the late 1930s, the United States began to expand its military presence in Puerto Rico. By 1923, there were over 55,000 service personnel in Puerto Rico. casually. Just casual. Just casual, you know. Everyday thing.
Go ahead.
I'm trying the soup of the hour. I don't know what it is. I just ordered it. So.
Okay, and I got this salad.
Perfecto.
She said it's good, good.
Hey y'all, this is the second entree. I'm about to try the mashed potatoes. It's so good. Like, I feel like we've just been lied to in America. Now I'm trying the shrimp scampi. Yeah, there's such a difference between our food back home. This is amazing. Okay, so for the final entree was dessert. I asked for chocolate cake. Let's see what it tastes like. Dip it in some sauce. It's so rich. I'm trying the strawberries. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. So good. Yeah, right.
This is my work.
This is what I was
The
saying.
river and the beach stone.
Oh yeah, we definitely.
Sea glass from the beach.
Oh.
Ocarinas.
10 years. Look at this shit. Look at his shirt. Look at his shirt and look at mine. Where do you think he got that shit from?
Listen, I'm not gonna say nothing. Just,
Oh my God.
just one thing. Look
Oh
at
my
this.
God.
Look this. Look this.
Right.
Look this. Action him. To cover it all. On the body. See?
He talks that shit every single day. Every single day.
You know what?
Let's have a little chat.
Talk to me, babe.
I'm so upset they didn't let me bring my towel. That's all I have to say, GoPro.
Gather up, gather.
A lot of health, issues. Right. No. Yeah, that's
You're the very last one.
Absolutely insane that I just called it a cave.
right here.
I can't believe I did it, y'all.
Right here. So you're gonna give me the left foot, okay? All right. Hands right there.
We just climbed the cave. And it's extremely dangerous. But we made it.
Oh, man.
He told me to look up when I was right there. It was so scary. Right there, I know. I was like, oh my
Left
gosh.
foot, give it to me
It's like
so I
a
can put
scary
it down
movie.
here.
It is really scary.
That's a great picture right there.
Oh, Jason, I need my phone.
You didn't bring phones down. I got it. I'm taking some of these other.
Okay, because I want to get right here.
Hey, y'all better tag me on this shit.
Oh, look at your wife. I'll leave you. No, that's not.
Oh, yeah.
Get in there, get in there, get in there.
Careful with the bear.
Just playing.
What's my sisters? You should have been on here.
All right, very good, guys. Very good. Look around, look all around here.
Can you take a picture of us and get airdrop it? We'll be seeing
Ahí está, 1, 2, 3. Muy buena foto. Espérate, una más. 1, 2, This is what you're after.
Wow.
Don't mess with her, she got superpowers.
Right. Oh, that's so cool.
Now, tell me, where have you seen that?
Puerto Rico.
Hold on, because you just earned a souvenir. Hold on, you earned a souvenir. I gotta give it to you. Here you go again. Here you go again. Oh no, y'all want a bottle. You see, y'all want to go.
Almost a wrap on day 7, I think. 6. We leave in the morning. About to go to Old San Juan, but first we're gonna get me some food, or I'm just gonna punch the camera. So yeah.
Are we not one?
Listen, who is right majority of the time?
We. Because we won.
Almost missed the flight, but made it. We're back in Atlanta. That's the end of this vlog. Thank you guys so much for coming with me to Puerto Rico. I'm starving, and right now I'm about to go get me some Wingstop.